Today we're talking directly to physicians in California who work or want to work in the medical legal space as QMEs, AMEs, or IME evaluators. The question for this episode is simple. How do you actually stand out ethically, compliantly, and intelligently in 2025 when AI is changing everything? We'll look at the traditional playbook, how AI is reshaping branding and marketing for doctors, and how you can use it smartly to elevate your med-legal presence instead of falling behind. For years, the marketing playbook for expert witnesses and med-legal evaluators looked like this. Get your name into expert witness directories, network at bar association and workers' comp events, publish a few articles, maybe give a talk or two for attorney groups. None of that is wrong. In fact, it still matters. But on its own, it's no longer enough. Here's why. Attorneys, claims professionals, and even hospitals are using AI-driven search tools and large language models, not just Google, to find and vet experts. Healthcare brands and physicians are already using AI to automate marketing tasks, optimize content, and manage reputation at scale. The AMA reports that about 2/3 of physicians now use some form of AI in their practice, and that number keeps rising. So if you're a QME, AME, or IME in California, still relying only on word of mouth and an outdated profile, you're competing against experts whose visibility is amplified by AI-assisted content, smarter websites, and automated reputation monitoring. This isn't about becoming a social media doctor. It's about making sure that when someone types California Spine QME or Neuro IME Los Angeles, or even asks an AI assistant, your name actually shows up. Before we talk about using AI, we have to talk about guardrails. In California, physician advertising is tightly regulated under Business and Professions Code, Section 651 and related medical board rules. Advertising can't be false, misleading, or deceptive. Board-certified claims are limited to specific boards, and promoting excessive or unnecessary services is prohibited. So when we bring AI into the picture, it has to be factual, no inflated claims, no fake stats, compliant, no I win cases, no promises about judge behavior, privacy aware, no PHI in examples or case stories. AI is a power tool. You still have to follow the building code. Now let's get practical. AI is already reshaping how physicians in the med-legal world build credibility and visibility, and the smartest evaluators are using it quietly, ethically, and very effectively. Think about it this way. You already have expertise. You've written internal memos, case notes, lectures, maybe even emails explaining apportionment or complex causation. AI simply helps you repurpose that knowledge so more people can actually see it. One thoughtful explanation you wrote can become a clean LinkedIn post for attorneys, a short educational article, or even a talking point outline for a lunch and learn. You're not creating anything new. You're amplifying what you already know in formats attorneys actually pay attention to. And a platform like ManyMedical can help shape that content so it stays compliant, professional, and tailored to the med-legal audience instead of looking like generic doctor marketing. AI also strengthens the places where referrals really come from. Attorneys still rely on directories, professional groups, and word of mouth, but now they're using AI-assisted tools to search those spaces. That means your profiles, your QME listing, your IME directories, your LinkedIn headline need to match how attorneys actually search for experts. AI can help refine your language so it's clear, accurate, and aligned with what decision makers are looking for. You're still the expert. The technology just helps you present yourself more efficiently. And finally, AI is becoming essential for maintaining your reputation. Your brand today isn't just what you say, It's what shows up online when someone looks you up. AI tools can track how your name appears across directories, blogs, industry posts, or even how consistent your specialty and locations are across platforms. That matters because outdated or inconsistent information can make a credible physician look disorganized. With the right tools, you can spot inaccuracies early, fix them quickly, and keep your message aligned everywhere. ManyMedical helps doctors manage this, so every profile, every bio, every listing tells the same clear, accurate story of who you are and how you evaluate cases. AI isn't replacing your expertise, it's supporting it. It helps you show up with clarity, consistency, and professionalism in a field where credibility is everything. Let's zoom out. AI adoption in healthcare is accelerating. Surveys show a growing majority of physicians see clear advantages in using AI tools, and a rapidly increasing share are already using them in practice. Whether we like it or not, AI is now part of how search works, how reputation works, and how marketing works. You have two choices. Ignore it and hope old school referrals keep you busy, or learn to use it intelligently inside the legal and ethical lines so your expertise doesn't get buried under louder, less qualified voices. For California QME, AME, and IME physicians, standing out is no longer about being the loudest. It's about being the clearest, the most consistent, the most findable, and the most reliable. I won't write your opinions, examine your patients, or sit in your depositions. That's your domain. But it can help you package your expertise, keep your messaging aligned and compliant, and make sure that when attorneys, adjusters, or AI search tools go looking for someone like you, they actually find you. If you're a QME, AME, or IME and you're thinking, I don't have time to figure all this out alone, that's exactly where platforms and partners like ManyMedical come in to help you stay visible, credible, and ahead of the curve without turning you into a full-time marketer.